Today we're going to make a watermelon granita. It's very easy and very delicious. It is very good for both at home or when you are water board as well. Right, and this granita is ideal for palate cleanser. You can use it as the palate cleanser or you can use it as the pudding as well. You can leave the alcohol out if you want, but if you like to add a little bit of zing to it, you can add either champagne or prosecco. And I got a little bit of mint, that's just to garnish this. Okay, let's get started. The watermelon, that's huge. I need to cut it somehow. So basically we need to cut the watermelon into the smaller chunk so we can put in the blender later. And I will save some of the watermelon for the garnish. So we need about 4 cups of watermelon. I think that might do just a little bit more. Once you finish cutting the watermelon into cube like this, just put it aside and then prepare lime. So we need the lime juice for about one couple tablespoons. I find that lemon will help pulling the taste together. So the watermelon, sugar, bit of lemon, lime. So we got all the ingredients ready. All we need to do now is just putting them all in to the blender. Sugar, and lime juice, and then blend it. Have a look. The next step is just put the prosecco or the champagne in and then stir in quite about a cup. Maybe we should taste it. Very nice. All we need to do now, just put in the container. Put the lid on and then put in the freezer for 2 hours, but in between every half an hour you should go back into your freezer and then scrape the granita out. Every half an hour, scrape it, stir it, scrape it. Okay, so do it about 4 times. And this is the first 30 minutes gone, so just stir it well. And that's it. And then put it back in the freezer again. Dun-dun, I think we've got it. There you are, our watermelon granita. So we're going to try to get this granita out. The easiest way is just use your fork and just scrape like that. I'm just going to put in this little shot glass, and this could be our palate cleanser. So nice, so clear, so clean. And garnish with a little mint. Our palate cleanser. It's just like another version of try to do something nice and fun at home for your loved one, because now we're stuck at home, so we can have a little bit of a restaurant thing even though you're at home. And next I'm going to show you how to plate it as the dessert. So I got this little glass bowl, so I'm going to just put this granita in. And there you are. And of course, to treat yourself, the champagne or prosecco that you used earlier, the leftover,